to tame parrots. Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to tame parrots. Parrots are intelligent and social birds that can be fascinating to watch and interact with. However, owning a pet parrot requires patience, love, and responsibility. Here are some tips on how to tame a parrot. 1. Provide a healthy diet. Parrots require a balanced diet to maintain their health and energy levels. Ensure that they are eating a variety of fruits, vegetables, and grains. You can also supplement their diet with tinned fish, meat, and eggs. 2. Provide plenty of exercise space. Parrots need plenty of space to move around and exercise. Ensure that they have a cage or outdoor area that is large enough to accommodate their needs. They also need access to toys and perches to keep them entertained. 3. Socialize them early. Parrots thrive on social interaction and should be exposed to different people, animals, and environments from an early age. Take them to the park, to pet stores, and to other places where they can interact with other birds and people. 4. Be consistent. Parrots learn by example, so be consistent with your behavior towards them. Treat them with kindness and respect and be consistent with your commands and rewards. 5. Take them on a regular exercise routine. Parrots need regular exercise to keep them healthy and happy. Take them for daily walks, play with them in their cage, and provide them with plenty of toys to keep them engaged. Remember, owning a parrot is a big responsibility, so make sure you are prepared to give them the love and care they deserve. By following these tips, you can help your parrot become more comfortable and well-behaved and enjoy a happy and fulfilling life with you.